Hey guys, what's up? Mano here, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm wearing my Suzuki Auto Cebu uniform and I am at my other job. So yeah, if you didn't know, I am a car salesman for Suzuki Auto Cebu and I have been in this company for roughly 9 years already. And just to show to you, if you're in the market for a brand new Suzuki Auto and you're in Cebu, here's my calling card. You know, feel free to focus. Anyway, I'm just gonna put my details on the screen. Anyway, this episode, normally I post a motorcycle related content on a weekend, but since I already did that last Wednesday, I might as well do this right now. Car related, something related to my job. And I'm gonna answer 2 questions that I normally get from would-be car buyers, which is how to apply for a car loan and how do I get approved. Anyway, here goes. Okay, so this is the Suzuki XL7, the bigger brother of the ever so popular Suzuki Ertiga. We're just gonna use this clip of me cleaning the display unit as a background video. If you want to know more about the XL7, I uploaded a video a couple of months ago where I talked about it, so go check it out. Anyway, how to apply for car financing and how to qualify. These are the 2 questions that I get asked a lot from would-be car buyers, especially first-timers. Take note, I'm in the Philippines and financing a brand new car is only possible through the bank or some financing institution. It is very rare for a car dealership here to offer in-house financing, and if they do, the rules remain the same. This can also be applied for premium motorcycles, so if you are thinking of financing a BMW, Ducati, Harley-Davidson, or any of the Japanese 4, then this will help also. Okay, let's begin with the hard part. Are you qualified? Now, you as a would-be car buyer has to assess yourself if you are capable of paying the monthly payments. Are you financially able? Do you have steady income? Are you a resident? And so on and so forth. There are general requirements that we need to meet before we could even start the application process. So what are these things? Number 1 is, are you even making money? After all, how can you pay for the monthlies if you do not have income, right? If you are making money, how do you get it? Normally it's from employment or from your business, or in a lot of cases here, remittances from abroad. Now, from employment, you have to be at least 1 year in the company, preferably holding a supervisory position. For business owners, your establishment must be at least 2 years old and must have regular deposits in a bank of your choice. If you are married or have a common law partner, then both of your incomes can be combined. Now, as for your average monthly income, it has to be more than enough to cover at least 3 months of monthly car payments. Here's an example. Let's say you want this car, the Suzuki XL7. Suggested retail price here is at 1,231,000 Philippine pesos, and there is a low down payment option, which is 79,000 pesos only. That is considered as a discounted 20% equivalent of the suggested retail price. Now, I know the down payment is really low and it's very attractive, but I do not suggest that you base your buying on the down payment. Look at the monthly payments. Now, the payments for a 5-year term on this vehicle is at 25,255 a month. Again, this is through bank financing, so that might change depending on your bank's interest rate. Now, you get that 25,000 monthly payment, multiply it by 3, and you get yourself your minimum required monthly income to qualify. If you are making more, then good for you. The same formula applies for other models. Let's say the Suzuki Espresso, which is the cheapest model that we have. A 5-year term is at 13,000 pesos a month. Multiply that by 3, and this is your minimum required monthly income. Okay, requirement number 2 is regarding your residence. One thing to consider is if you are renting a place or if you are the owner of the place. And you must be a resident in that place for at least a year and must have a parking spot. No, you cannot lie about this because the bank will do a physical visit to your residence and will evaluate your location. Also, you have to be a citizen of this country. Last thing to check on if you have a chance to get approved for financing deal is if you have any pending credit card payments. overdue balances, bad credit history, or pending court cases. If you have any of those, please sell them first and get a clearance from whichever institution you have any dues. Regardless of your monthly income, if you have any red flags related to lending or legal matters, you will be rejected automatically. Okay, so back to the two main questions: how to apply and how to get approved. Now, car financing is pretty easy to do nowadays, but what I'm going to tell you are the two ways to apply for such a deal. Method number one is pretty straightforward. Go to the nearest dealership, talk to a sales executive, and apply. They will normally ask you for your details, supporting documents, and they will endorse you to their partner banks. Or you can apply online through social media. Facebook is probably your best option, and there are thousands of sales executives eager to assist you. Like, for example, you can contact me through any of my social media accounts, submit all the documents online, then I will forward your info to our partner banks. It's that simple. Method number two is, well, lesser known, but gives you multiple options on where you're gonna get your vehicle. And that is the bank where your main savings account is. Bank branch officers will serve as your sales executive, and they will look for a dealer that can accommodate you. Not only is this more convenient for you, but it also allows you to have a more direct approach to the application process. You can negotiate interest rates and arrange your terms to a shorter one if you can afford the monthly payments. Okay, how to get approved. This is probably the most annoying part of getting a financing deal here in the Philippines because it requires a lot of paperwork. And what I mean by that is getting all of your supporting documents that you will need to submit. So here's a list of requirements depending on your source of income. I suggest you pause at these images to get a screenshot so you can prepare these to support your application and make your vehicle purchase a lot faster. Okay, this one is for the locally employed people. You can get all of these from your HR department. This also applies to online workers, but with some exemptions. This one is for business owners. Please make sure that all documents are legit. This right here is for overseas workers who send money to their families right here. If this is you, then I highly recommend you apply for financing before you leave the country again for your next assignment. Alright, so that's about this for this video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you do, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Check out my motorcycle reviews, and if you are interested in a brand new Suzuki, feel free to DM me and let's do business. Anyway, see you next time. Bye.